In the next few minutes, I will demonstrate several of the new components of the xFlow Level 1 Analyst interface that modernize the way analysts handle tickets. Together, these innovations help analysts become more productive and shift their focus to the customer. These features include the Assistive Command Box, Service Genius, the Timeline, Suggested Solutions, and Suggested Experts. And as I mentioned before, tickets in legacy service management systems are focused on filling out a bunch of fields so that someone can run a monthly report. Tickets were not designed for resolving a customer's issue, they were designed for tracking. And we dive deep into this problem and believe we have created a series of awesome new features to help solve that. The first innovation you should notice is the Assistive Command Box. This is a critical power user feature that focuses on time to resolution. The Assistive Command Box looks for smart words or keywords that are entered and will suggest actions that the system can perform for the analyst. For example, if an analyst is entering a post to the ticket and it includes the term email, the system can suggest different templates or categories to associate with Outlook issues. The next feature is what we call Service Genius. Service Genius automatically presents questions to the analyst to get the right information from the customer. The design of Service Genius is very important as it puts key questions directly in front of the analyst. The answers to these questions add more context to the timeline, and that data influences the suggestions shown on the right-hand panel that I'll talk about shortly. The analyst can also enter any one of a number of commands in the Assistive Command Box, such as transfer, resolve, comment, or even adjust the priority of the description of the ticket. By typing a /, all of the actions will be shown and the analyst can select one. Next, the command box will prompt the user to fill out the parameters in the correct format and show possible values with the drop-down. This approach to updating the ticket is much faster than other legacy systems. The right-hand panel of the ticket contains important information for the analyst. This is where they see the customer's profile information, the suggested experts, and suggested solutions. Analysts are often slowed down when trying to figure out what to search for to find the right knowledge article, or which team member is the expert on a particular topic. As the analyst enters more information into the ticket, the right-hand panel will update to show more contextual information, such as knowledge solutions as well as other IT analysts that have resolved similar tickets. The knowledge solutions can be selected and added to the timeline and then easily communicated to the customer. And the analyst can also request help from the suggested experts directly from the ticket. This saves valuable time in hunting for information in other parts of the system and ultimately resolves the customer issue faster. Lastly, if you notice with every action or update that I make to the ticket is reflected in the timeline just below the Assistive Command Box. The timeline tells the full story of the ticket and the user doesn't have to hunt for the history of this ticket by scrolling to the bottom of the form or clicking through multiple tabs. Analysts can easily filter the timeline also to see just updates of a certain type, such as comments.